Hi everybody, I'm Rosemary and I'm back with some adorable, easy, and budget-friendly Dollar Tree Valentine gift ideas. I found some yummy treats, cute containers, lovely beauty items, and adorable accessories, then mixed and matched them to come up with some awesome combinations. I found a whole selection of Valentine colored or themed bagged candy for containers, and then also some bar candy for baskets and sets, and also a great selection of Valentine themed or colored beauty products, also for baskets and sets. First up, I found these hot pink colored food storage containers in the food storage section, but what's nice about these is they come 3 for $1, a pack of 3 for $1. So this way it's great if you're making a lot, you need to make it for a church group or a troop or something like that. Get a nice savings there for 3 for $1. And then I just filled them with some candy. The Smarties fit really nice into this package, and then all I needed to do was add some ribbon. I did get that ribbon from Michael's, and then Dollar Tree had these adorable cupcake stickers, and I just added that to the top. And of course you can just add a little tag there that says Happy Valentine's Day or some other Valentine's sentiment. Next, I found these multicolored containers in the office section at the Dollar Tree, and these are the ones that usually hold the paper clips and rubber bands and have a magnetic back, but then now they're featuring them in these different colors, and they make great containers for these Valentine gifts. And the individual packs of kisses that Dollar Tree sells fits perfectly in the container. And then I just topped it off with a little stuffed animal. Here's a little kitty cat unicorn, and you can attach it with some double-sided tape or some regular tape. And then they also have these adorable little set, and it comes like that. And one says me and the other says you. So it's so cute. You can give it to your Valentine and let them know that, the me is for them to have and that you're going to take the you so that you can have it with you. So I think that's just too freaking cute. Look how cute that is. You and me. And then for the pink container, I filled it with some bazooka gum, and then this adorable, oh my goodness, this little guy, this little monkey, so cute, and I'm going to put him on top. But then you can add, of course, a little sign. We can start getting to the cheesy parts here now, and maybe add a little sign that says, I'm bazooka for you. And then here are some more filler ideas and potential little sayings you could say. For example, you are unbearably cute, or you have my heart, or my heart belongs to you. Or for these Andy candies, you could put any of the mountain ones, like I have a mountain of love for you, or I'd climb the highest mountain for you. And then these ones are a bit of a stretch, but these are those candy melts. So they kind of just melt in your mouth, and you can say like, I would stop the world and melt with you. And then of course we have now and later with the I love you now, later, and forever. And then for atomic fireballs, my love burns hot like a fireball, an atomic fireball. And then the snarky one, of course, would be love bites. Dollar Tree also has these great little jars this year, and they come in like a rose gold top and a gold top in the Valentine section. And then also out is the Easter section, and they have that in a silver top. Now, if you saw these in the store, you might have thought, well, those look adorable, but I bet you that label is awful to get off, but I'm here to tell you happily it is one of those labels that peel right off with no residue or any issues. And then it's just a matter of filling it with some candy and adding a pretty bow. Now for this first one, I used the heart candies and then this really pretty tulle, except it does have a glitter on it that gets all over the place. That's the only caveat to that one. But also this one, I just added some of the Kit Kats, the mini Kit Kats, and then also that bow from the Dollar Tree. And then this one has the Andy's candies in it with another Dollar Tree ribbon. Next up are these adorable mason jars with the straw, and these Sixlets candies fit perfectly in there, make a perfect match for this container. And then I just added a little Dollar Tree ribbon and it was good to go. These decorative boxes are so pretty and make such a beautiful presentation. And so all I did was add a little shred to the box, and then some of these Russell Stover strawberry creams, that adorable little monkey, and then a bag of those pink Hershey Kisses. And that's it, a beautiful gift box set. These cute little Valentine pails also make great containers for gift sets. And for the pink one, I'm going to take some of this curled ribbon. Now these come 3 to a strip. You can get those in the gift wrapping section. And I'm going to put one of those on the bottom of the pail and then take some of the Russell Stover strawberry creams, just place those on top and then cap it up. And then the little pink monkey makes the perfect complement to this set. Just sit him right on top. Then for the red one, I took some of this filler paper in this metallic material, and I just took a piece, kind of scrunched it up, and placed it again there at the bottom of the pail. I then added some of those atomic fireballs to the top, capped it up, and then the pair to this one was this adorable red orangutan. Next up, I wanted to make a bouquet with some of the Russell Stover strawberry creams. And so I took some of these pink heart-shaped picks, and then I'm just going to tape the little candies to the picks. Then I'll place them in the vase and add the foil balloon as well to the top. So all I did was tape the backs, and then I'm going to place one there in the center and then 2 off to each side. And then I'm going to tape those in place a little elevated from the middle piece, the one in the middle. So the first one, the middle one will be down below, and then the 2 to either side, I'm going to elevate them a little higher and tape those into place in the back, as you can see. I'll do that to each side. Then I'm going to take a 4th stem and put it above the middle one. So it'll just go in there in the back, and then the other 2 to the side, I'm going to repeat it so that that middle one stays a little bit lower and the 2 to the side are a little bit higher. And then I'll add the foil balloon to the back. And then once everything is in place, I'm going to just adjust the tape so that everything is where it should be. And then here is the finished bouquet, a beautiful gift for only about $4. For another bouquet type option, I used this Love Votive and also this bag of Carnival Heart Pops. Now the bags, I do want to twist the bags around the stems, but the bags are a little bit air filled. So I did just puncture the bag with one of those push pins, and then that let the air out so that I could wrap the plastic around the stem. And then I just taped it in place. To fill up the jar a little, I did take the plastic bag from the heart picks that I just used in the previous DIY, and I just placed that there at the bottom of the votive. And then I took another one of those curly hue type ribbons and just placed that there on top and kind of just fixed it around the top of the votive candle. And then I just began adding my little lollipops with the taped stems down into the ribbon, and I'm again doing the process where I'm putting kind of one in the middle and then the other 2 to either side, and then kind of taping them in place, a little elevated. And I'm going to repeat that process again, put one in the middle and then place 2 to either side, again a little elevated from the middle one, and then just tape those all in place. And then that's it. And then there you have it, another beautiful candy bouquet, this one coming in at only $2. And now moving on to the single bar and package candy. This combo of the little red and white bear with the itty bitty hearts makes a great color coordinated combo. And then also the marshmallow heart with the brown bear is another good combo for that set. These Valentine gift bag boxes are always a great option and make a beautiful presentation, especially when color coordinated with the contents. And so for this set, I selected the Russell Stover Caramel along with the Palmer Turtles and the Lindor long thin red package, and then also one of the Whitman chocolate hearts and one of the Whitman chocolate bars. And then once I get everything into the box, I'm going to just arrange them and then tape everything in place, and that creates a great little box gift. And then for a larger basket version, I took this red plastic basket from the Dollar Tree, as well as this red garland for a change of place for the filler, and then some fiddle faddle there to the back, and then the Whitman candy heart to the front of that. And then I took the Whitman candy bar and tucked that in behind. And then on the other side, I added the Russell Stover caramels, also the Lindor bar, and then the turtles right to the front of that. And then I'm going to just add the little bear and have him again hold the Mike and Ike's. And then I'm going to tape everything into place. And then here is the finished basket, and this makes a great Valentine's version of a boo basket. And if you're doing the surprise type, you've been booed type basket for neighbors and friends, I understand that for Valentine's you leave the note saying you've been hugged with instructions to enjoy the treats and then pay it forward to the next surprise recipient. This next set is small but elegant, and all I did was take one of these pink porcelain boxes from Dollar Tree, two of the Godiva chocolates, one in dark chocolate, one in milk chocolate, tape them in place, and there you have it, a beautiful set. Also, I wanted to let you know, since the gift ideas in this video tend to be a little bit more on the feminine side, if you were looking for something more manly, I did publish recently a 30 Dollar Tree gift basket sets for him, which I will link here and in the description. Now moving on to the non-edible options, starting with some stuffed animal combos, and this little dove cream goes perfectly with the pink monkey, as well as this adorable heart-shaped bath bomb, and I just tape the two pieces together, and they just make a great set. Next up is my favorite from last year. I just love this orangutan with the long arms. He has little Velcro on his hands, and his arms can wrap around and hold all types of different objects, like this set of 3 nail polishes. And I'm going to just go ahead and wrap his little arms around and tie them up. And just look how cute this guy is. He just cracks me up. And he just holds it and he just looks, I swear his face changes when he does different poses. Is the funniest thing. And then he also they had this little XO bath bomb. He also looks adorable holding those as well. Next up is this white bear with pink accents. And what's neat about this bear is that it's actually chocolate scented, and it actually does. It smells like a chocolate candy store. And it goes great with this pink finger paint as an option. Again, just tape everything together. And then also another option would be this hydrating face mist in this pretty pink packaging. Again, makes another great combo. And then here's our little red orangutan friend again, and he goes great with this large pink bath bomb. How cute are those two together? And again, just tape everything into place. And then another option for this little red orangutan would be a nice shade of red nail polish. This next combo is so cute for a tween girl. It is a fortune pen. You click on it and it has all kinds of different little adorable sayings on it. And then also this nice bright polka dot notepad with a little journal type notepad inside. And then it has that rubber band that goes around it so that you can just stick the pen inside the rubber band, and I just fold it the top over and can tape that down into place. And then they also have this adorable little hug me lion, and he also found a home there to the side of the pen, and all 3 of them come together to create a great little gift combo. And then here is another great tween option. They had this adorable mood color changing lip gloss. That is just too cute. And then you also have, again, another set. This time these guys say best friends. And so, again, for 2 little tweens to give them to each other, and they would have, one have the others. Be so, so cute. Now this next gift would not be for a tween. This is an adorable candle, Votive candle, and it's really in a pretty container, and it says relax on it. And then pairing it again with a stuffed animal, how cute, to make it a more substantial gift. And then also these lip smackers, Coca-Cola lip smackers, lip balm, goes so cute with the little bear. You can just tape the 2 together, or you can add it to this little pail. Again, everything comes together so nice and color coordinated, and it just, again, makes a more substantial gift. Now, again, going back to those beautiful box bags, I'm going to use one of those, put some tissue paper there at the bottom. Then I'm going to take my chocolate bear and just kind of place them inside and kind of towards the back. And then Dollar Tree had some of these really nice facial mist and hydrating gel and toner, and in this really pretty matching colors. And so I just kind of place those in front of the bear, and there you have it, a beautiful set. Next up, I'll be using one of the Dollar Tree sequins pillows. I'm going to be using the other side of the pillow, and I took one of these bath sets, and then as well as one of these sprinkles face masks. I'm going to just place them there on the top of the pillow, and then I'm going to use again that tool, but be forewarned that glitter is a little bit rough, so you might want to shake it out or kind of, remove some of that glitter because it kind of does get everywhere. And then I just took this Love bath sponge and wrapped it there around the center of the bow. This next gift idea is great if your Valentine wears glasses. Dollar Tree had these great glasses cases in a Valentine theme, and then they also have these necklaces that you can put your glasses in the little hole there on the pendant, and then of course some of the glasses wipes, and they had red and blue, and I just folded it around to the red side and then took the little glasses holder and folded that on top. I'm going to tape everything in place and then just tie on a pretty Valentine ribbon, and there you have it, a great little gift for the eyeglass wearer. And for the last gift idea, we have a great little spa set. They had these beautiful hot pink baskets with a lid there at Dollar Tree. I just added some pink shred to the basket. And then I'm going to use some of this pink Himalayan salt bath soak. And then they had these pretty little joy devotion books. That's going to go in front of the bath salts. And then some shower gel there to the side. And then one of those relax candles, this time in a pink finish, and then some of the bath crumbles in front of the book, and then a thing of body mist there towards the back, and then we're going to use that Love sponge there to the front again for a beautiful bath spa gift. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this year's Dollar Tree Valentine gift ideas video. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give a big thumbs up. And please let me know in the comments if you plan on making any of these or which one was your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.